guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm doing a homemade squishy tutorial. So yeah, this is what you're like sort of in probably. I use acrylic paint on this, but I'm going to show you a different method. I am going to be painting back over this with the method that I used. Worked very well. So I know this is not very surprising, but oh no! So this is the one I'm going to be painting today, and I've already started painting it. This is mostly all we'll probably be able to see. So what you need for this is some puffy paint, popsicle stick, and your squishy. Hold on. So, what you're gonna want? My camera is like shaky. Yeah, I don't know if that was focused or not. So you're gonna want to take your paint. You're gonna want to put it on top of the squishy, the foam, and just spread it like this. Now, you want to kind of this specific paint dries darker than it comes out when it's like wet. So just be aware of that. Acrylic paint does have a tendency to do that. So I would recommend using a flat surface. I'm not. So minus was that. Whoosh. You're just gonna want to spread this out. Oh, that is thick. And if you don't like the shininess of this slick paint that I'm using today, there's matte paint available, so you can go get that. If you are a slick paint hater, not judging, but it looks like paint. It's just so pretty. Matte paint does have a little bit tint of shine to it, so you have to paint this in like stages. So I'm just gonna go a little more, and I'm gonna paint this for where. How could I put it? I could put it like that. Okay, I got an idea. And you got to make it a creative way to dry. Now a cube like I'm doing today might not, but you have to. If you're like using any other shape, you have to get creative with the way you put it up to dry. And this is not the only thing in this video because I know this is going to be a short video. I will do an update video. Where am I going to hold this? I was doing it I was doing it right there and I'm holding it right where I was doing it. So I will do an update video on the squishy when it dries and I'm completely done with it. So, and you could use a better foam than I used. I just used regular memory foam because I always make my squishies out of memory foam. I've never really tried polyfoam for like density foam. I just get okay. I got fabric paint on my foot. But right now, this is just like this is what we got so far. And we have two parts that we're onto, so it's not painted. But we do have, this is just the second layer. It takes about 6 to 7 hours, or 3 to 6 hours to dry, depending on how thick. How am I supposed to like set this down? Hold on. Depending on how thick you put the paint on. I didn't put it on that thick, so it'll probably take like 3 to 6 hours. I think it would take like 6 hours. I just leave it overnight. So I'm just gonna put this away. So yeah, let's just go put this away. I would take you with me, so but sorry. Do I keep baby wipes in here? Just because I have to clean off my hands after. So, yeah. I have a couple shout outs for today. I'm just go ahead and throw this away. I'm gonna get this squishy And I'm gonna do my squishy collection real quick in this video too, because why not? Why not? So let me just go ahead and get my squishies. I need to move y'all like back here. I think that looks good. No, actually, did I get paint on my forehead? I got paint on my forehead. Oh, I'm using y'all as a mirror. I'm sorry. So let me just go ahead and get my squishies. Find out what's been there. They're in. Bins are in. Got a bin. This squishy bin. So, okay. So I'm already like far away from the camera. Hold on. Let me just like scooch y'all up. Like, get y'all situated. That's too close. Right there. Okay. That's good. Okay. So we're gonna do Squishy King Squirt today. So they're my squishies. I have a good amount. It's my squishy bin. Don't mind the packaging in there. That's just what. So we're gonna do Squishy King Squirt. So let me just go ahead and get my squishies out in front of me. There are some squishies that I don't like this dolphin, but I will show you that later. So my pumpkin student fell off again. I fixed it though. Let's fix it again. Let's see that. Don't mind the stem that's gone, but the stem does fall off. It just came off, but I will fix that because I got some squishy glue. Oh. Okay, so I got all my squishies in front of me, except for the blue one because it's drying. Or the ice cube is drying because it's drying. So I'm gonna put them over here. I'm gonna put the losers in here, the bin, and then the winners we'll put behind the camera. So let's get these squishies in front of me. So I got my squishies in front of me right here. And we'll just, I'm gonna close my eyes and pick random one. So let's just do this. So the first one is this my Keeper pumpkin. So I'll put that over there. And next. Okay, yay, I got this. I'm not even gonna show you, like, what that's slow rising. Like, this was $10, of course, but, like, that's slow rising, and I got this as the aquarium, and it's slow rising. Like, it used to not be this slow rising, but I think the more you squish it, the more slow rising it gets. So, 3, 2, 1. The penguin because it's cuter and it's more slow rising. I love my pumpkin, and fall is coming up, but like it's not very slow rising and it doesn't really have a face. I do like faces on squishies, so I'm sorry, pumpkin. I love you, doll. I love you. Okay. Losers over there, winners over here. I'm just gonna put the winners over here and the losers in the bucket. Okay. Not looking. Okay, so this is my homemade squishy, and it is this messed up one that I had not even like painted. So we can put this right here. So I'm gonna do this one. Why am I getting? I'm getting animal squishies against like food squishies. Anyway, this is the dolphin that I got, and it's not very slow rising. This was like $4 at the aquarium. So 3, 2, 1. The dolphin because it's like cuter, and this one's like homemade and it's not very slow rising and soft. So losers, animal squishy running and like food. This is winning. I thought it would be the opposite, but okay. I'm not gonna like spread that out. There. Not looking on this one. Okay, I got my Galaxy Unicorn from Banggood. Most of these are from Banggood, but squishies. What's the unicorn? These. This is my unicorn. It smells like soap. Smells delicious. Okay, let me like spread these out more. Okay. Okay. Well, let's go. Oh, I keep on getting unicorn to food. Or animals to food. Like, what in the world? What the heck? This is the one I got. It is this Reedy Cow Candy, and I actually have the packaging for this. It was the creamy candy plus a Reedy Cow Candy. And that's the packaging. Oh, no. So, very squishy. So it's very cute too. But I do love unicorns. So, the cow candy because it's just so soft and it smells a lot better than this one. So, sorry, Uni, I love you. But first food. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 8 animals and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be like a freebie. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, there's not gonna be a freebie. I don't even remember squishies, so let's just do the next one now. I'm like kind of okay. This one. Okay, I got a unicorn. It's my big fat soft and slow unicorn. Yeah. This one. Hi. Oh, my cow print baby bot. This one's moisturizing. This one's also moisturizing. This one smells really good. This one doesn't smell. And this one's bigger. So I think I'm gonna go with the unicorn. It's just so cute. Ooh, look at my milk carton. This is my strawberry milk carton. I never knew she was good on this one. Ooh, I got my marshmallow. It's so big. Now where's the rest? Which one? This one is a face. This one's, but this one's cuter. But this one's just so colorful and soft. Doesn't it smell? This one smells like strawberry milk. What strawberry is it? I'm gonna choose the milk. Sorry, mushy. Okay, we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh no! Somebody is gonna get a freebie. Well, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, nobody is gonna get a freebie. I haven't even closed out of squishies. So I have to squish that one. Okay. This one. Ooh, I got my. Sorry, I don't have squishes. My jumbo croissant. This is the Tomorrow. Jumbo croissant. No. Key-brew. Sorry. Key-brew. And it smells like butter popcorn. So. That's funny. Got my jumbo fake air cap. Squishy. It has a significant amount of defects. This one has no defects, like absolutely none. So I think I'm gonna. This one is bigger, but I think I'm gonna go. Has any defect. I think I'm gonna go with the croissant. Ooh, got my big old soft and slow cupcake that's very defected. Okay. It's very soft. And so I could strive. Okay. I only have soft and slow squishies except for this one. orange. Dollar Tree orange. Like the cupcake. Oh wait, I don't want to. Okay. I'm gonna do this one. My jumbo croissant. I'll do this one. My planet. This is my planet squishy. Which one? The croissant, because it's so much fun. It's so good. And then the last two. Star. Cat, Mercat. I think I'm gonna have to go with the star just because. Look at this Mercat face. I think I'm gonna have to go with the star. Now we're gonna do all the winners against each other because we're going until we have a grand winner. Grand Slam winner. So, I can't lose you, pumpkin. Okay, you're not pumpkin, but penguin. I'm not sorry. I'm gonna squish this one more time on. Like, oh my gosh, it's so soft. Okay, so I'm gonna scoop these up. Come here. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Okay, so I got my star. What? My Greedy Cream Candy Cow Candy. And which one do you think it's gonna be? The Greedy Cow Candy, because it's just so soft and like squishy, and I love it. Okay. And I've only got three animal squishies and 4. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is really weird. But I guess somebody's gonna get a freebie today. Okay. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, somebody's gonna get. Okay, I considered this a loser. Didn't I consider this a loser? I thought I considered it a loser, but. Okay, sure. And somebody's gonna get a freebie today. Okay, let's draw. This one, dolphin versus penguin. I'm pretty sure y'all know like which one wins. The penguin. Penguin. Milk carton. Jumbo croissant. The jumbo croissant. Unicorn versus cupcake. Which one? I love unicorns, but I also love cupcakes. 3, 2, 1. The unicorn. And then cinnamon bun gets freebie. Yay, okay. Let's go. Jumbo croissant versus a crescent roll or a thin roll. 3, 2, 1. This one's more slower. I think this one's cuter and softer. Smells. The croissant. Unicorn versus penguin. This one's hard. I do love my penguin, but I love my unicorn. This one doesn't really smell. This one smells delicious and it's so surprising. So, sorry, Pink. I have to go with Pink. Sorry, Pink. And then this one gets a freebie. Put this back up. And this is Taylor. These are the last round full of. Get something to drink. To me. Croissant versus Sorry, this one's free. Okay, so this is the last. Let's see which one. 2, 1. Hold up. 3, 2. I have to go with my drink song just because it's so big. It smells like butter popcorn, which I love. So sorry, unicorn. This is the ultimate winner. Yes, ultimate winner. Ultimate winner. So this is my automatic favorite squeaky. Wait, let's see. Wait. Got big. This is working over here too. Hi guys, I hope you video. I know this was a long video. I hope you really enjoy them long videos since that was a long video. Bye guys. Peace.